Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, in this video I will discuss about how we can build your business or any type of service landing page, right? If you be presence in online, then it's important you need a landing page for your service, like you sell any type of courses, right? Any type of service, or you have any type of business, then you need a landing page. Why you need a landing page? Because when anyone customer come to your website and he will click on that link, then he will see all the types of things, like which type of service you provide, which how many you have clients, what the price of your service, right, and other things. In this video I will tell you my service about landing page development service, where we can make your service we can make your service or business landing page, right, where we focus on UI UX, which depends on your service or business, right. We make the website fast as possible, right. We make trust proof, like if anyone come to page, then he like website is not be a ponzi or scam type, right. It will be SEO based, SEO, right, and it will be tested. The website will be tested. You get a brand and design colors, and you will get analytics and tracking where the users are coming, in which page users are coming, right, and other things. If you want a detailed meeting on that topic, then you can book a session with us. We just put this fill this form and submit a message. We will contact you in 12 hours and we will discuss on a Google Meet. Then we will start the work, right.